Hi, my name is Robert Hainline, and I'm a client here at ClearStart Tax Relief. I've been working with them for a little over a year now. One of the biggest pains with my tax situation before getting started with ClearStart Tax Relief was getting those nasty letters from the IRS saying that they were going to file a lien and attach property and garnish my paychecks. And once I signed on with ClearStart Tax Relief, those went away. And that was really nice not to receive those, not to dread going to the mailbox every day. So, yes, that was very nice. What would you have done if you hadn't gone to ClearStart Tax Relief? Actually, I don't know what I would have done because I was just so overwhelmed with the whole situation. I probably would have my paychecks garnished, which means I wouldn't have been able to afford rent or to afford my car payment or to even afford groceries. It would have put me in a really bad spot. It was a pretty simple process. I sent in the forms and did the paperwork, and everything was negotiated for me. I did not have to wait by the phone and do the homework that fine people at ClearStart Tax Relief did for me, so that was very nice. Actually, the thing that surprised me the most was just how easy it was and how painless it was. It wasn't really that hard of a process. I had an ex-wife at the time who, unbeknownst to me, was not filing taxes that she claimed she was doing. And I originally thought I owed like $5,000 in back taxes, and come to find out that I actually owed $22,000 in back taxes. That was a big shock to me and to my new wife at the time that was standing there with me on the phone. Well, I just recently received a letter from the IRS saying that my offer in compromise was accepted and that my balance going forward for my taxes is $80. I've already paid $20 towards it, and so now I just need to pay $80 over the next 5-6 months. So yes, that's so much better than $22,000, obviously, and it's a big relief off of my shoulders. It has just allowed me to breathe and to realize my retirement is going to be there for me when I retire. It will not be attached or garnished by the IRS. What would you tell somebody who is going through a major tax debt crisis? I would obviously tell them to contact ClearStart Tax Relief and see what they can do for them. They have done so much for me, and they have been very helpful, very cordial. They have put me at ease. Anytime I felt stressed or worried, concerned about something, they've always made me feel at ease and put me in a much better state of mind. Would you recommend ClearStart Tax? Absolutely, 100%. I would recommend ClearStart Tax Relief. They have just been so great, so helpful. They have been very professional. I can't say enough nice things about them. Don't let anyone tell you that these tax relief businesses do not work. ClearStart Tax worked for me. That's the one I trust. And I think that's the one who you should trust too, or everyone should trust. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Thank you.